Creating a high-quality PNG image with pngmaker.ai is simple and efficient. Follow these steps to generate and download your custom PNG in just a few minutes. Start by searching for pngmaker.ai on Google. Click on the link to open the pngmaker.ai homepage. On the pngmaker.ai interface, enter your desired PNG prompt in the provided text field. This will guide the tool in creating the image you envision. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Click the Generate button to start the creation process. pngmaker.ai will process your prompt and settings to produce your custom PNG image. Once the image is generated, click the Download button to save the PNG file to your device. Here you can find high-quality PNG images and enjoy. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.